Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. And now for our joke of the day. What is the best breakfast cereal to eat in the winter? Frosted Flakes. We hope you'll help us spread some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Today is Monday the 14th, and today is Jingle Bells. This is simple. Wear some bells today. A reminder that we are back on our fully remote schedule. We will begin the day at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day ends at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies!